Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure a long tube using a Leapfrog plate with spheres and the laser scanner. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do here is, if you haven't already done it, you'll need to go into the cut plane control and we'll need to scan this surface to make sure that the laser is not seeing this surface when we measure the spheres. So we're going to go to Scan Setup, and we're going to make sure that this is set to a very low value, the stripe separation filter. Right now I have it set to 1 inch, which allows us to take stripes, for example, in this small area here, and it's going to be separated by 1 inch every time we take that. So we're going to go to New, and we're going to put the laser in here, and then just move around like this. We can have quite a large offset here, and the reason why we can have a large offset for the cut plane is because these spheres are up above the surface by about 25 millimeters or 1 inch. So I'm going to go ahead and put in let's just say 20 millimeters here for my offset in the Leapfrog plane. I'm going to call plane 2 my Leapfrog, and then I'll remember what this cut plane is for. I'm going to turn my other cut plane back on because I want to ignore the table surface as well. I'm going to turn off the cut plane here, and when I say turn off the cut plane, I mean the model. It's still active. You can see active down here at the bottom. I'm going to go into Measure Setup and come to the Leapfrog tab, and I'm going to choose in row number 8 my Leapfrog cut plane, so that when I get to doing the Leapfrog, that VTube knows automatically to use that as the cut plane, and it will turn that on automatically. I'm going to measure the tube now. And we're going to perform the leap by going to Move, click on the Leapfrog, the arm, and I'm going to scan the 3 spheres. So the first one, and I didn't let go of the button until I heard the sound that said that VTube was satisfied with the sphere calculation. And repeat that process. Now it says measure NB. And I'm going to finish and build and perform an alignment. It's that simple. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to us at support@advancedtubular.com. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.